Open up both folders here and turn the eye off on all of the bunny rabbits. Go to Window, and then go to the bottom and click on Timeline. Where it says Create Video Timeline, click on the drop-down button, and then click on Create Frame Animation. And then click that button. All right, we have our first frame. There's no bunny. Click on the plus sign right here to make the next frame. We'll turn on the first bunny, which is in the bunny left folder. We'll click the plus sign here to make another frame. We're going to turn this eye off and turn this eye on. We're going to make another frame. We'll turn this eye off and this eye on. We're going to make another frame. We'll turn this one off, turn this one on, then make another frame. We'll turn this one off, turn this one on, then make another frame. We'll turn this one off, turn this one on. Okay, so our layers here are backwards now. You can move them into the right position, or we can go the opposite way. What I'm going to do is put them in the right position. So this layer here should be at the top. This layer here should be right underneath that one. And this one should be underneath that one. So we'll have it like this. See that? So turn this one on. Make a new frame. Turn this one off. Turn this one on. Make a new frame. Turn this one off. Turn this one on. Make a new frame. Turn this one off. Turn this one on. Make a new frame. Turn this one off. Make a new frame. Turn the first one on from the bunny left folder, because now we're going to have the bunny come up and stay now. Make another frame. Turn this one off, turn this one on. Make another frame. Turn off, turn on. Make another frame. Turn off, turn on. Make another frame. Turn off, turn on. Now at the bottom, where it says forever, click on that and click on once. Click on the first frame here and press the play button. Let's see what happens. Pretty cool, huh? Try it again. Press it again. That's animation. Command S to save. And let's do a file, export, save for web. You're going to save this as a GIF. I'm going to bring the colors up to about 8. Okay, it makes it look choppy. Let's bring it up to 16. Still not good. Let's bring it up to 32. That's looking a little bit better. The lower the colors you can do, the smaller the file is going to be. Let's click Save. Hopper_animate.gif, that's fine. Let's put it on our desktop, and then we can move it into our asset folder. Click Save. We'll continue this lesson in the next video.